This is Jared with Dirk's Plumbing Supply. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about timers and also how to wire your electric valves. We have a variety of timers available. If you've purchased a sprinkling system from us, there's a good chance that you've got the HydroRain Wi-Fi timer. In recent years, Wi-Fi timers have become very popular because you can control everything through your phone. Simply download a smart app, connect it to your controller, and all of the programming can be done and adjusted on your phone, which makes it really nice and simple. We also have a Rainbird timer. This also has a Wi-Fi option. There is a Wi-Fi module that you purchase separately that installs inside of the timer. Again, there's a Rainbird app that will allow you to connect your phone to the timer and program the timer as such. There are also some options. Let's say you have an area in your yard where you can't get power to, so you can't get your electrical wire ran to it. They make some timers that can be mounted in a valve box. This particular Rainbird timer has Bluetooth ability, so the app on your phone will allow you to connect directly to this timer inside your box and program it. So you won't have to worry about not being able to run wires. We also have a HydroRain timer that is run off of batteries that can be installed in your valve box and then directly wired to the electric valves. Another option is many times for gardens, people want a way to water that and they may not have ability to put a valve near that garden. So we have these hose timers that can simply go on a garden valve. You can then program this to operate a drip system. So there are some options you can ask us about if you can't get wire to any area in your yard. To quickly go over how to wire your timer, this will be the Wi-Fi timer that we sell the most often. And so once you mount this on the wall and you've got wires ran to it, you'll notice here that there are different colors inside of the, or different color wires here to wire to your timer. White is usually what we use for your common wire, and the other colors will signify wires that are going to be connected to the actual valves. And so the wires that are ran back to the valves, this right here happens to be 5-strand. We carry a variety of sizes, 4, 5, 7, 9, 12, and 13 strand wires. And so depending on how many valves you have in a given location, there's options to make sure you have enough wires to take care of the valves. Each valve has 2 wires. You will take 1 wire from every valve and tie that to the white wire or common wire. And so you'll wire those together, take one of the blue wire nuts that's included in your system that's silicone filled to make these watertight. That will twist onto these wires and keep them protected in the valve box. You'll then grab the extra wire that's not used for your common and tie that to the corresponding wire in the valve in the actual timer. Green in this case happens to be valve number 1. So I could take the green wire, twist those wires together, put on my black waterproof nut, which is a little bit smaller because we only have 2 wires that it has to cover, where the common wire nut you'll notice is bigger because many times there's more wires you're trying to cover there. The next wire, as you notice, is yellow. So I'm going to take my yellow wire, twist that together on valve number 2, and then you'll take the red wire and tie that together for valve number 3. If you have any other questions on timers, feel free to call us and we'll walk you through your options that we carry at Dirk's.